Online students, am I audible to you? Am I audible to all of you? Respond. Right. Offline boys, girls, am I audible to everybody? Right. How you are? Right. How are you, sir? I am fine, students, when you read my notes. I am fine always when you read my notes. Are you reading my notes? Reading or not reading? Reading daily. Remembering all the functions. NumPy functions, series functions, all of them remembering. Remembering. Last, stand up. Oh, yes. Coming, sir. What are the functions in random module of NumPy? Hmm? Random module of NumPy. np.numpy.random module contains what functions? Not remembering. Next. NumPy module. Should have. Random module contains what functions? Not remembering. Not remembering. Okay. Next. Next. Not remembering. Hmm? Next. Not remembering. Should have. Next. Randint. Randint of. Next. Random of. Next. Normal of. Next. Rand of. Next. Next. Uniform of. Next. Choice of. Next. Huh? What is that? Huh? Shuffle of. Next. Right. Permutation of. Remembering so many things. Right. No problem. Should have. So all these things. Iter tools also I said or not? Permutations, product, combinations. So many important things. They're all very, very important things. Okay. Anyhow. So let us move to the further. Have you seen chat box you said or what? I got a doubt about it. Did you said like that? You said on your own or not? Okay. Anyhow, I'll think positively. You said on your own, I feel. Later you decide whether you said on your own or you seen it something like that. Okay, students, let me move to the further. Let me move to the further. So I'll go to last class. Already I was about to complete it. About to start. About to start about ILOC and LOC. Did you remember the formulas? Come on. LOC and ILOC. So LOC deals with what? Row indices, column names, but not with, right. Same thing, copy pasted of what? ILOC deals with what? Row indices, column indices only, but not column names. So that is a very, very important difference. Let me open that, which I put it already to you. So this is attributes already completed. So data frame like that yesterday. And this is what we are about to enter into, about to discuss yesterday. That is about what? LOC. Accessing the data of data frame by using LOC off and ILOC off. Understanding what? LOC off. Come on, read out already. Here, start to stop index. That is called what? Row indices. That means start means these things. Row and start and stop means row indices included. Included. I mean to say, start to stop, it will be taken. Start to stop minus one, no. Start to stop. Both of them are inclusive. Okay. And column names to be used. to get the data from data frame, but not column indices used. Are you getting me? Next, come to ILOC, you understand. Here start index is included, stop index is excluded. Stop index is excluded. That I mean that means when I say start colon stop, when I say stop STP, ST is if we say it is taking from start to stop -1 it will take. In which case ILOC. In case of LOC, it will take what? Start to stop, both of them included. Both of them included. And moreover, and column numbers must be used to get the data from data frame, but not column names. Same formulas here, same formulas. Start with data frame object of LOC. What is the number? Row number. Next also row number, as well as what I will write, column name also I can pass it. Next, start colon stop colon step. Start means what start it is? Row start. This is called what ma? Row start. This is called what? Row step. Row stop. And the next is called what? Row step. Same here also row start. Here also row start. We need to cover today a lot of formula, students. Try to be active to understand all those things. Row step, and next is called what? Row step. With what also? Column name also you can mention it. Same to same, same to same. Here also row start I will add. Row stop I can say. Row step I can say. Row step I can say. And a column name one, column name two. N number of columns you can mention. So here also, one more time I can say, this is also called as what? Row start. And next is called a row step with column name 1 colon column name n. This is called what? Column slicing. Column slicing. Are you following? Not only numerical slicing, you can write what? Because in the series time also you have seen. Series time also. This is also same thing. Column name 1 to column name n with what? Step. With step. What is the step? Column step, that is. Column step, that is. So let me mention that row start, row stop, and next is called a row step, and next is called what, column step. This is column step. This is. These are the very, very important formula, students. See, don't think that, sir, I will remember only one formula. If you remember all these formulas, you are a great student in the class. So let me go for understanding about this accessing the data of data frame by using LOC and ILOC. Let's start with the discussion here. So yesterday I posted that formulas for you. I think I did not post you that CSV file, correct? Yes. So today I will post it. Actually, I was about to post, but somehow it was skipped off. So let us go to the place, accessing the data from data frame. So go to this place. Are you really practicing daily? Okay. So find us. So this is the one. I'm going to get this data. Accessing the data from data frame by using what first? LOC. So let's start with import pandas as PD. Now I'm going to write it df is equal to pd dot. How do you read the data from CSV file? Read underscore CSV. Now I will go for the absolute path. I'll go for the absolute path. Let us go to the absolute path here. So I'm going to take it C colon, E colon here. Now I'm going to take it. So somewhere else I'm having student marks1 dot py. On this, because it's a bigger one, I'm taking that into input. So student marks1 dot CSV. So print of what? DF. Print of DF. Yes. Backslash. So you are getting the data something like this. This many number of values are available. Let's go for accessing the data. So formula by formula, I will go for it. This is the one. I'll just go on using it. Try to get it. What this will give you? Gives what? Gives uh, particular record. Particular record. Particular record. When you practice now, there is a meaning for these formulas. So come on, df dot loc. It is not a function. It is not a function. It is an attribute. Loc is an attribute which will take indices bracket. So I'm going to write it what 5. It will be writing 5. So it is going to give you what fifth one. Fifth one. Are you seeing that? So fifth one. What is the fifth one here? Karthik record. Karthik record is coming. Are you following? Right. Next, I will go forward df dot loc of 15th. 15th. Print off if you want. It is also going to give you 15th. Close the bracket properly. And see that it is also going to give you 114. 114 is called what? 15th. This is going to be like this. This is a record which is going to come. Are you following me? Right. Like that, you will be getting this one. So don't take much time. And coming to the point back, here I will see online students. Today I will send you the CSV file, ma. Don't worry about it. Yesterday I forget to send you. Today I will send it. Come on, next I want to go for what? Row number, comma, column name I want to get it. Column name I want to get it. Now I'm going to say get, come on. Here I will write get fifth record, fifth record, name of student. Fifth record, get what student? Name of the student. Name of the student. Come on, how do you write it, ma? df dot loc of 5, 5, comma. See the syntax of what? Column name. Column name. What is that now? Name. You need to say name. You need to say name. So is the name is coming or not? What is the name here? Karthik. Karthik is the value which is going to come. So you can also say the same thing by using like this also. Print off like this you can say. Print off this data you can say like this. You will be getting the same output like this. Is it clear? Right. Next I want to get it. Another kind of data. I will say 15th name I want to get it. Rajesh is going to come. Are you getting it? Earlier we are getting complete data. Now we want to get only one thing. Now I want to get it. More than one column name I want to get it. More than one column name I want to get it. That is something like this I want to get it. This one. So let me go for addressing this part. Let me go for addressing this part. Column name 1. Let me go to this same only. I will go for more than one thing I want to get it. So name, and I want to get it as what you know, maths. I want to get it as maths. So I want to get it as maths. Is it maths marks also coming or not? Next, I want to get it something else, something like science marks also I want to get it. Science marks. Column names you need to take care properly. Rajesh, maths, science. Any record is concerned, you can go for getting the names directly. Is it clear? So here if I go to it, it's not only one thing you can take it, students. You can also take it as not only this one. You can say column name 1, column name 1, column name 2, n number of columns you can take it. Column name 1, column name 2, so on, giving you like this. Column name n is also going to come. Are you able to follow? Right. Online students, are you following? Ma? Are you following this? Is it clear for all of this? Right. Let us move to the further. I will go to next one is called what? Indexing. Indexing. Okay, don't worry about a 2 2 is available. Again, this is going to be 3. So this is 4. Go to row start and row step. So how do I go for it? Go to the same thing. This I'm going to take it. Here I will take this one. Come on to the point back. How do I get it? Get the records from from third to sixth records. Come on. df dot loc of row start, row stop. What is that? 6. So step I will write by default 1 only. So it will come 326 or 326 minus 1. Very good. 326 will be coming, students. 326 is coming. All of them are coming or not? All of them are going to come. All of them are going to come. Next, I want to get it. Get the records from. Get the records from where? Df dot loc of 4 to 10. 4 to 10. Is it coming 4 to 10 or not? 4 to 10. 4 to 10 is coming. Suppose I want to get 4 to 10 names. 4 to 10 names only I want to get it. How do I get that? Comma, square bracket. What is this now? Name. Name. So I'm going to get what? Names. And once you start working, lot of things will generate in your brain. But you have to experiment it and you need to mention in the notebook. Are you getting me? So next, I want to get a names plus maths marks. I want to get it. Names plus maths marks. I want to get it. So I will go for getting the names plus maths marks. I want to get it. Clear? This is also called one subframe or not? Sub data frame it is called. So I'm going to write it. I will go. Who is this? Brahma. Can you teach slow, sir? Okay. Slow only I'm going. So I have to remove complete gears in my class. So actually I'm going in second gear only. Actually there are 6 gears are there in my vehicle. This is second gear only because you are already my Python students. So online students, online students, is it, are you okay? Is it okay students? Are you okay? Second gear is okay now. Is it okay? Is the speed is okay? Still if I go very slow, it will take lot of time. It will become a almost red bus. So let me go little speed, right? This speed is okay. So I'm just talking about formula and I'm going to give the example. That's all. Example. Huh? Chanta Charnath. Which car you have, sir? See, they will ask like this. One day they will ask salary. One day they will ask which car you have. They will ask all these things. They will ask all these things. Okay, students. So coming to next. Okay, you are asking which car you are asking. So I'll tell my car name. So I have Honda City. This Honda City. This I will this always in parking only. This car is I don't take out. I don't take out because I will come to my class early morning. If I come in car, it is not correct because if I want to come in car, I have to start almost 45 minutes early. It's a time waste. Correct or not? So car is not necessary to come to the class. I'll come in small scooty. It's my wife's scooty. I will come on that. So car is only for show. For show. No show. For us, no show. I want to come on time to the class. That's why I don't use car. I will use only this. When I go to native place, that time I will take off. So other than that, it is in parking only most of the time. Every Sunday for my physical activity, I will clean it once. I will clean it once. I will sit for a few minutes. I will listen the songs for 10 minutes. That's all. Engine start, waiting for 10 minutes. Again switch off, keep the cover and like that. Sometimes any function is there, I will go. Otherwise, I'll come on the scooty only. That's all. It should be simple always. Okay. Right. Anyhow, come to the point. Okay, my dear student, happy? Huh? So come to the point of it. So, uh, so now I will go to, hmm, right. So, right. See, students. So you are saying a lot of things. One day I said, na, I will talk to you. One day I will, after my syllabus is over, I'll give a separate session for you. Chit chat session. That name is cut. Chit chatting session. Whatever you ask, I will answer it. I will please allow me to go to the subject, my dear students. So, sir, go to TTD temple. It's very good. Okay, ma, I will go. So, first, I will go. So, first, let me start my subject. Okay, right. Please don't deviate it. So, come to the point back. Now, I'm going to enter into Right. Students, one student is asking, SK, sir, can we create a column like sum of total marks? Yesterday I said, no, I can add the column, I can calculate the total. Today I will calculate. Okay, my dear student SK. So I will go to that. Come to inserting at the end. I can go for it. I can go to it. I will show you now only. I will show you now only. Let us coming to the point back. Now I'll go to, this is called what? Getting the names. If you come back to this place, here also, you can say here, one more formula, I can add it here. This is called column name 1, column name 2, column name n also you can add. Column name 1, column name 2, this many number of things also we can add. Are you following me this one? Next, another one is called only this column name you can add. This column name you can add. Already it was there. So column name is there. This also covered column name 1, column name 2. Now I'm going to say slicing concept I'm going to apply. So let us go to this area. Now I'm going to insert. Go to this place. Here I'm going to enter into this area. Get this formula again. So I want to get it. I want to get it. Get 3 to 3 to 6th record. 3 to 6th record with column names from hall ticket number 2, hall ticket number 2 what? Maths marks I want to get it. Hall ticket number 2 what? Maths marks. So how do you write generally? df dot loc of df dot loc of 3 3 colon 6 3 colon 6 comma I need to write all of them htno comma name comma name. Next is called what? Telugu. And normally I am writing Hindi. Next I am writing what? English. Next is called what? Maths. Like this I wrote it. Like this I wrote it. So this will give you all the things like this. This is normal, quite normal. But I want the formula like this. What I am expecting. This is in general. If you want, you can write simply. What is our formula here? You see that column name 1 colon column name 2. So I will go to this place HTNO. All these things I don't write it up to where? Maths colon I will write it. So this is also gives you the same mechanism. Are you able to follow now? So this is also will give you the same thing. Getting or not? Yes. Suppose if you want up to the last, what is the last column, students? Social studies. Go to our data frame once. What is our data frame says? Up to social studies. Up to social studies. I will go to social. Here I will write it. Social studies like this. Is it all of them are coming or not? If you want alternative values, I will go to what? Colon 2. Colon 2. So you are going to get it all ticket number, Telugu, like this you are getting. From next, I want to get it alternative values like. Next, I will go to what? Next is called what? Name. Name onwards if you want. Name, English, maths, and then what? Social. So that is up to yours. Whatever you want, you will go to it. So up to this, you can remove also. This you are going to get like this. Is it clear? So it is all there in your hands. What the formulas are available, you can utilize it. Next is what? Column step also you see now. Column step also will be there. Is it clear? So columns, these are all the data is going to come in front of you. Suppose this everything is the data is written like this. So if you want column names, you are writing. If you write column numbers, what will be happening? You just observe it. Here I am trying to write what is the column number 1. All ticket number is 0. All ticket number is 0. 0th column, first one. Observe the first one. 0th column, 0th column, first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So this you cannot write with what? LOC. LOC always deals with names. So let us go for writing some name. But see the error here. See the error here. So you are going to get the error. So still it is under execution. Star indicates it is an cannot be sliced index with the indexers of what? One of type int. That is a integer types indexes you cannot give it. You have to give always what? So I think this big error, I will keep it as this. So LOC can't work with LOC can't work with column column indices. Indices. It works only with column names. It works. It works only with. It works only with the column names. Column names. Brahma, are you okay? So now we are going to enter into this place of LOC. Brahma, are you okay now? So go to the next one we enter. Go to the next mechanism. I will go for it. What is the next mechanism, students? iloc. Tell me iloc takes what? Start index, end index. But the point is start index included, stop index is excluded. Depends on that you can make a formula. And a column numbers to be used and to be used. But column names cannot be used. Same to same. Understanding about what? iloc. Accessing the data by using what? iloc. Same data I'm going to use with iloc. So one or two properties I'll show, then I will move to the further. So let's start with print df once. Print df data frame. Already this is a data frame or not? So then I will go for first formula. First formula. Get the row number. As usual, like iloc. iloc. Okay. iloc. Same formula. iloc also here also. Same thing. Come on. Get what record? Get fifth record. Get the fifth record. And how do you get it? df dot iloc of 5. Speak out. When you speak out, at least you will remember it. Like LOC also same thing. Come on. Yes. Next I will go for get 14th record. Get 13th record. Get a 13th record. How do you get the 13th record? df dot iloc of 13th. 13th. So you are going to get 13th record. 13th record is going to be like this. 112. Sharif. This data is going to come. I want to get more than one record. So more than one record means there is a row start and row stop is there or not? More than one record also possible. So I want to get row number as well as what? Column number immediately. Second one I want to get it. Row number and column number I want to get it. Second formula. So get first record or get the fifth record. Get fifth record name. Get the fifth record name. Come on, forget. df dot iloc of 5 comma 1. What is the name column, students? What is the name column? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Are you following me? So coming to the point of it. So here I am going to get it what? Karthik. Now get 12th. Get 12th record. 12th record name. So I will say what? 12th. This is the one. So I'm going to get what? Kalyan. Are you getting it? Get something like 13th. 13th I am going to write it. 13th. 13th I am writing. 13th. 13th I am writing. It's called something like this is coming. So next, one more formula. Get the row number, column number 1, column number 2, like this I want to get it. More than one column I want to get it. It's so simple. So get this kind of thing. Get 12th record, 12th record, 12th record, name and match marks. Name and match marks. Come on, start. df dot iloc of 12th comma 12th comma 1 comma 1 comma Madhu 5. 1 comma what? 5. 1 comma 5. 5 or 6 or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 5 or 5. 6 or 6. Muddu. So 1 comma 5 is not a slicing there. It is called what? Column names. Column numbers. So 1 comma 5 is called which one? Sit properly. Morning 7:30 I said. Again you are sitting in the same way. Morning I said 7:30 I said or not? Again you are sitting in the same way. So come to the point back. So this is going to be called what? Name and maths marks is like this. I want to get it. Maths marks and then social marks I want to get it. And the social marks. And the social marks I want to get it. Come on, what is this? Comma 7. Social marks is coming. Are you following me? Come on. Fast online students. I will go to next what? Slicing. Which is slicing? Row start, row stop, column start, column step, column stop. This is only individual columns. This is called what? Series of columns. So I want to get this data. I want to get this data. Go to the same place. Now I'm going to get it. Another mechanism. Get, get which record? Third to sixth record. Sixth record with what values? Hall ticket number 2. Hall ticket number 2. Maths marks. Third to sixth. Come on, start. df dot iloc 3:7. 3:7. Why 3:7? iloc deals with end minus 1. End minus 1. Okay, comma. What should I write it? Column start. What is the column start? 0 colon 0 colon 6. 0 colon 6. Are you following me? So you are going to get it. 3 to 6 is coming. And all ticket number 0 to what? 6th. Actually 6th is called what? Science column. 6 minus 1 is called what? Maths column. Are you getting it? Right. So I want to get like this. I want to get it only Hindi and maths marks I want. Hindi and maths marks. What is that Hindi and maths marks? Come on. I want to get the same thing with the Hindi to maths marks. Hindi to maths marks. What is the Hindi subject? 4th to 6th. So like that. Hindi and maths. Okay now? Easy. So you are understanding this point. Next is called what? With the step you want. With the step. That also I will show you there. That also I will show you there. All of them I want to get it with a step. Simply I will write it what 0 colon 0 colon 6 colon 2 I will take it. 0 colon 6 means like this you will get it. Are you getting me? One more way if you want. With a step you got it. One more way if you want. 1 colon I will write it. 1 colon you will get it. Are you getting remaining things or not? With which step also you are getting it. Next, what is the next one? Row start, row stop, and what is this? Column number. I think already it is there. Huh? Right. It is only row number is there. It is available. Row start, row step, only one thing. Some group of values with only one call. It is already you can do with the previous mechanism also. Here, get get names of 10th to 15th record. Get the names of 10th to 15th records. Come on, start with df dot iloc of 10 colon 16, 10 colon 16, comma 1. 1. Are you following that? So which will give you what? Names. Names. If you want to print them one by one without that indices values, see 10 to 16 and 10 to 15. For names in where like this, I will say simply print of what? Names. So you can print those kind of things like this. Biswa, Richie, Kalyan, Sharif. Sonu, Rajesh, something like this. Are you getting me? Right? So let's go to one more thing is what? Row number one, row number two, very, very important. ILOC will give you what? Individual row numbers also will give you. Get a second record, 10th record, fourth record. Any random records I want, I can go for getting it. So ILOC. So it's an important. Get it, observe it carefully. Get get fifth record, fifth, 10th, and second record. Second records. And df dot ILOC of 5 comma 10 comma 2 10 comma 2 5 10 2 5 10 2. Getting right? So df dot like this you are going to get it. Whichever record you want, you will get it. So this is the way you can pass it. I want to get it only. I want to get it only. Which record? 12th record I want. 12th record I want. Only 12th record is coming. Getting on? Yes. Simple. I'm going to get this data. Here I'm going to enter into further. Next, of course, row start, row stop. Any number of columns also you can say. Column number one, column number two. Column number one, column number two. So instead of getting all of them, you can also get it like this. Get 10th records, this one, get 12th records, get name and maths marks of what? 5th, 10th, second record. Come on. df dot ILOC of, come on. I will say what? 5 comma, come on, 5 comma, 5 comma. I think it is not like that. It is slicing mechanism. Slicing mechanism. We will try to apply, students. We'll try to apply. 5th, we'll try to think. 10th, 2, 2. Okay. This is okay. I will write after that. I will write after that. I will write like this. What I want? Uh, no. This is okay. This is giving. For that, later you are applying on this area, you are going to get it. This is going to give you. After that, you are saying name. I'm just experimenting. It is not sure about it, whether you will get it or not. Maths. So you try to see, got it. This is going to give you what? Complete information. First you bifurcate it. So you are getting or not? Each subdata frame. From this subdata frame, what I am getting? What I am getting? Akkada I am fetching it. What I want? Only name. If you want, you can write only name like that. Name is like that. But more than one column, now. More than one column means what? Like this, I am going to get it. Like this. More than one column, you cannot write what? Maths. You cannot write like this. You cannot write like this. It will give you error. That's why you need to write it in where? Single part. Like this you need to write. Are you getting or not? This also one more important point. This is also one more important point. I think you are following me. So this is going to be one more formula. I'm going to write it. This is rows numbers. Here I'm going to write it. This also I will add to your formula. I will add to your formula. This is a row number. Where is it? Column number. Row number one, row number two. This is the one. Here I will write it as a seventh one. I will add it. This is as a seventh one. I will add it. Row number one like that. Here I can write it. What is this? Column name 1, comma, column name 2, so on. Column name 2, so on. Maximum accessibility, you try to learn it. This is another kind of thing. So next, this formula level, if you want, you can go for that. As obviously, this is another way I'm going to post it. So get this data. As usual, get the names and maths of what? From fifth to which record? Fifth to eighth record. Fifth to eighth record. Eighth record. How do you get it? df dot iloc of 3 colon 9, 5 colon 9, yes, 5 colon 9, comma, column number, etc. You need to write it. This is the one you need to take care about it. ILOC of column number 2, I need to take it. I hope like this. So I'm going to write it of what I should write? Name 1. Yes, correct. 1, comma 5. 1, comma 5. 1, comma 5. So you're getting it. Are you following me? This is the one. 1, comma 5, like this. It is your choice. You can go to 1 colon 6 also. 6 or 7 up. Comma 7. 7 is there? 7 is there. That is called what? Social. Like this, you can get it. So I think you are getting, students. So this is about column number 1, column number 2. Any column number you can take it. Next, ILOC. What this indicates? All rows of what? Column number 1, column number 2, all these things. This indicates what? Colon indicates all rows starting to ending. Last part of it, I'm going to write it. So go to the place. Here I'm going to apply it. So get all the names of data frame. All the names of data frame by using, of course, ILOC. df dot ILOC of row start beginning, row stop ending, comma, what? Come on, 1. Last students, try to listen. If you look here and there, I will send you where you are looking. Where you are looking, suppose if you look outside, I will send you there. Go and see what is happening. So try to listen the class. You came to the class all the way, right? So are you following me? So this is the one. So if you want this one, I want to some more columns you want. Some more columns you want. So I want to get it, comma 5, comma 5. So I will get names and what? Maths. Suppose if I want alternative values. Suppose if I want alternative values. How do you get alternative values? How do you get alternative values here? Colon 2. Colon 2. Are you getting colon 2 or not? Colon 2. 0, 2, 4, 6 like that. Earlier is called what? All of them are like this. Are you getting it? Next, I will get it all of them in reverse order, for example. Reverse order, colon what? -1. You are getting from beginning onwards this one. 16 something like this. Okay now? So if you write it what, colon -2. From bottom onwards, it is going to come in where 16, 14, 12 like this. So how much important indexing and slicing? Important or not? Very, very important this is. So advanced indexing, advanced slicing. By this time, if you look at indexing and slicing overall picture, if you see, it is very, very important. Memory management in Python is very, very important. Online students, up to here, is it clear, mom? This is about what? Understanding about ILOC here. So coming to the point back, Venkatesh Srinivas, sir, if we want to add like 1, 3, 1, 3, how to get it? That is what I said already, na? Yes. So, if at all you want, if at all we want, I already said to you, what is this? 1 colon, 1 colon. You are getting what? 16, 14, something like that. So, if I want like this, what I want? So, I will write it what? Colon what? 2. This part you remove it. This part you remove it. So you are going to get 13579 like that. Come on, Venkatesh Srinivas. So anything you want, you can get it. ILOC only, ILOC, ILOC only, ILOC only. Rutuja, got it. everything. So Jitendra, can you please show once the row index with column name and ILOC? So already shown na, ILOC deals with column numbers only. LOC dealt with what? Column names only. Correct. Right, done. So coming to the point back, here I am going to say this concept is comes under which one? Accessing the data by using LOC, and so any type of data is there in the data frame, we can access that complete thing either by using LOC you can do, ILOC you can do, and already there is a one more part I said head, tail, object, column name, row start, row stop, all those things explained are on. This many kind of things we are going to get it. So coming to the point of it, now I am going to enter into the further. So this is the completion of what? ILOC here. Shall we go to the next? So next I am going to enter into the attributes also completed. Now I am going to enter into the next one. How to add the new column. How to add new column. So adding new column, adding the new column, adding the new column to the data frame, adding the new column to the data frame. How to add the row to the data frame? How to add the new column to the data frame? Remember that always we need to add the new column at the end only. We can add in the middle of it. There is one point you need to recognize. Are you following? If at all you want that columns specially, I can retrieve it separately. I can retrieve it. I can put it as a special one. I can put a new data frame. I can create it. Shall I go for adding new column? Right. So now I'm going to enter into the further. All the students in online. So if you are missing any of my explanation, if you keep the doubt, show me answer once again. These are all not possible to show because for one student purpose, I cannot go back once again. If any doubt is there, you write in your paper. At the end, I am asking you any doubts in the online session. Separately, I am talking. That time I can access it. So Mullapati Sai, Jitendra, Sai Kumar, all those people, already that things are shown. If doubts are there, at the end I am going to ask you specially any doubts are there in the online that you can ask. So I already shown you whatever you are asking already shown in the formulas. Okay now? Still doubt is there? You hold at the last. I will ask you at the end of it. Okay? Mullapati Sai, Jitender, and all the other people who are having the doubt. Okay? Somebody speaking? You are speaking, right? Spitzel, you are speaking. You are speaking, I think so. So stand up. Stand up. Somebody is speaking there. Spits. Doubt is there. Doubt, ask me. I will be here to clarify. If you make a mosquito noise, I'll get irritation first. So mosquitoes are very dangerous. Any doubt is there? No doubt now? Comfortable now? Right. Carry on. Now I'll go to, again I will go to how to add the new column to the data frame. So I'll go to the new data, new notes I will take and I'll go for it. All the students in online, is this formulas are clear? Up to here, LOC and ILOC respond once again. So now I will go to adding the new data frame to this. So I'll go to that place. So how to add the data to that place? Next, I will go to the new one, new notebook. So adding the new data to this place. So find us adding the data to the data frame now. So let's start with read the data as usual. Beginning, I took it, the data as usual. Go to the beginning. I will get this data. Data frame, you get it. Important. So get this part. So here I'm going to get the data as usual. Today I want to go for some new column. I want to add it. What I want to add here? Total. I'm going to add which column? Total. So I want to add the new column called total. Shall I add it? For that, we are going to have the syntax here. Let us have the syntax now, students. The syntax will be very simple. Here I will go to adding of the total here. So I will go to the total here. What is the total? I'm going to take it. Try to follow. In this place, data frame, data frame object, data frame object of how we add the data to the dictionary? Long back. Dict object of key is equal to value. Very simple. And from simple to how to understand a complex thing easily. So go to any batch of yours, go to batch of any of yours, data types, dict data type. Under the dict data type, how to understand a simple thing, even the difficult thing is there, how to understand when you read our notes. Adding syntax for adding key comma value pair to the empty dictionary or non-empty dictionary. Dict obj of, dict obj of, I'm going to go for here, key is equal to what? Value. Key is equal to another value. Key is equal to another value. Like that I'm going to take up. So here I'm going to take on the same grounds, we are going to use it. Data frame obj of, I'm going to write it, new column name, new column name is equal to, what I need to write? If you want value, you can write it. Value. It's your value, whatever you like it. You can also write it as, this is syntax number one. This is syntax number one. Syntax number two is what you know. Instead of writing that entire thing, you can also write expression. You can also write expression. Suppose in our case, total is there, for example. Total is there. What is the total I want to get it? What is the total I want to get it? Telugu marks plus English marks plus Hindi marks plus maths marks plus social marks is going to be the total or not? So now I want to add the total plus total marks also I want to calculate. So students called Sakib and SK, are both of them same or not? I don't know. Now you are getting your answer. Adding the data to the, adding the column to the data frame. Is it a data frame or not? Now I'm going to add. So come on, add the new column, add the new column total, add the new column total to the above data frame, to the above data frame. Come on, data frame. How to add it? DF of, చెప్పాను కదా ఇప్పుడే. Come on, total, total is equal to expression, expression. How do you add, how do you add Telugu? ఇప్పటికి వీడికి 20 ఫార్ములాస్ చెప్పాను ఇప్పటికి. ముద్దు, ఓ ముద్దు, డిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు, డిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు, సింపుల్ ఫార్ములా, సింపుల్ ఫార్ములా. ఆల్రెడీ సెట్, already said df of what? Column name. It will give complete column values. Muddu ante mudde. So df dot telugu plus what next? df of what? ఏం రాదు మనకు, ఇంగ్లీష్. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లస్ హిందీ, హిందీ. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాథ్స్ కదా మొద్దు, డిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథ్స్. స్పెల్ అవుట్. హిందీ తెలుగు మ్యాథ్స్ చెప్పడానికి వచ్చారు ఇక్కడికి, ఏం రాదు అసలు. డిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాథ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ డిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్, కెన్ ఐ చేంజ్ ద ఆర్డర్ ఆల్సో? నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో వాట్ ఇస్ అన్ ఆన్సర్? సోషల్. ఎప్పుడో చెప్పక చెప్పక చెప్తారు, మామూలుగా అయితే ఇండెంటేషన్, సెమీకోలన్, కోలన్ యూ విల్ సే. సో సే డిఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ social plus df of science. So need to be careful about your column names, right or not? SCI ENC అది నేను చూసలేగా, నువ్వు చదువుకో. df of total is equal to df of Telugu plus df of English plus Hindi plus maths plus etc. So Coming to the place, now I'm going to enter here. So it is executed. Then now it is executed. Coming to print of what? DF. So see that, is it all total coming or not? Total. Adding the new total or not? With what? All the total marks. So after going to home, take your calculator and calculate it. Perfectly answers will be coming. Coming or not? Yes. One more I want to add it. Percentage I will add. Can I add a percentage? Yes. So percentage. Add a new column. Uh, Add new column. Come on. New column. What? Percentage. Percentage. So come on, add df of percent. Df of percent is equal to something like you are writing 0.0. For example, default value I am placing. Earlier I wrote what? Expression. Now I am writing like this. Print of what? Df. So if it is able to fit it in the same row, percentage also will come here. If it is not able to fit, it will come to the next line. Next line it will come if it is not able to fit it into that place. So since it is not able to come, this indicates what? Continuity. Next place what is coming? Percent came. Are you getting it? When I export to CSV file, it will come everything in the normal report only. I'll tell you how to go for export procedure. These are all very important. So now I want to go for calculating the percentage. Can I calculate the percentage? Yes. What is the percentage? Assume that each paper is conducted for how many marks? 100 marks. 100 marks it is conducted. Now I am going to calculate the percentage. Do you know percentage? What is the percentage? Madhu Babu, come on, fast. Percent is equal to, I need to calculate the total marks or not? Total marks I need to calculate. What will total marks refer? DF of what? Total. DF of what? Total. Okay, DF of total by 600 by 600 into 100 into 100. I will write into 100. So you are going to get the percentage or not? With lots of decimals will be coming. With lots of decimal places will come or not? Yes. I want to round it off. Can I round it? Do you know how to round it? Okay. DF of what? Tell me. Percent is equal to round off this entire thing, whatever you have written, round off this entire thing, what you have written, round off. I'm writing this entire thing, comma what? 2, comma 2. I'm writing comma 2. Is it okay? So this is this bracket, this is this bracket, calculate, and this is the one you can say. This is the one. This is for this, comma, this one, it is done. Print of what here? DF. So this is going to be like this. Are you okay? Done. So, నిద్రపోతున్నాడు మా so start up. I said so many times to you. Third time I am intimating. So many times. Fourth time I am seeing. Fifth time I am making you to stand up. Come here, what? Keep your hand from the packet. Sleeping and keeping the packet nicely in the hand. Come here. Bring your notes. You sit here. See who is sleeping in the class. Sit here. For 2 minutes you sit and see who is sleeping. Just see who is sleeping. Carefully you watch it. You don't look at him, okay? Otherwise you will sleep. So come to the point back. Here I am going to say, I want to decide what? Grade. See the percentage of all these things. So percentage of all these things. Okay. Now I will give you one case study on this area. Be careful. Now I will give immediately after this class is over. Now I want to calculate the grade. Shall I calculate the grade? Come on, calculate the grade. So what are the grade calculations? Grade, anybody sleeping? Anybody sleeping? Hey, people like this, what is this? Sit down there. You sit with them. You don't sleep it, okay? Don't inherit the property. Python is containing inheritance. So be like a professional. He's keeping like me. He's keeping the bag like me. Okay. There is something is benefited when you keep like this. So anyhow, is now I want to go for grade. Now I want to go for grade. Decide the grade. Decide the grade. So grade qualities I am going to give. Grade qualities I am going to give. Grade qualities. Shall I take the grade qualities? Right. Give give grade. Give the grade. Give the grade. Give the grade as distinction. Give the grade as distinction. Provided. Provided. Percentage. Percent. 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 So I'm going to say percent. Give the grade. Here I'm going to get it. This is called percent. And before that, I want to give you. First of all, are you understanding how to go for this? Just let me confirm. Is it okay up to here? Is it clear up to here? This is called what? Adding new column and doing some sort of calculation. Correct? Now I want to go for filtering the data. I want to take it as a separate concept. The same filtering, this is only adding new column. Now I want to go for what? Filtering. Filtering as well as updating. What I'm doing here, filtering. Those who has more than 100 to 80%, 100 to 70%, some grading, 70 to some other grade, some other percentage. So I want to go for between 100 to 90 distinction or 100 to 80 distinction. Next is called what? 79 to 60 is called first. And the next is called 59 to 40 is called like this. Rest of them are called what? Third. So this is called what? Based on percentage, I am going to give you what? Grading also I am going to do it. Are you following me? So first I will go for telling you how to filter the data. Filtering. Do you know filtering? So I want to go for filtering. So data filtering I am going to say. So this concept says you what? How to add the data to the data frame. This is called a second. Now I will go for one more is called what? Come on. Data filtering. Data filtering. Data filtering. Filtering with okay, data filtering with the conditions and all those things with the conditions. So how do you go for doing this filtering the data? So later after that I will go for giving you that data filtering. Adding new column important. Data filtering already you know in numpy. Data filtering, do you remember that? How many ways are there to filter it? Preparing a boolean array, passing the boolean array to the nd array. Second procedure I said directly nd array with a condition. I said one more is called what? Extract of. Next is called what? Where of. Where of substituting missing value with our own values. I said four ways for you. Of course, nobody is remembering. By seeing your face, I can understand. But only one or two remembering. Still, you need to take check by yourself. Now I'm going to take the filtering here. So number one, I'm going to take up data frame object of. I'm going to write it. Data frame object of. I'm going to write it dot. If I want to go for data frame, I need to take one column number or column name or not column name. So better to go for what? Column name I can take, column number I can take, any one of it I can take it. So better to use the solution as what? LOC. LOC of what? Simple condition I am going to write it. Simple condition. Simple condition I am going to write it. Simple condition I am going to write it. Simple condition. This I will go for one thing. Next I am going to write it. Second one also I am going to write it. I'll show the example also. Data frame object dot loc compound condition. Compound condition. What is the compound condition, students? Compound test condition. This is a simple test condition. What is a simple test condition? First of all, what is the compound test condition? ఎందుకా మీరు all are simply coming to the class. Go to that. I am going to this place 6 p.m. or any 4 p.m. any batch 4 p.m. Go to operators once. Go to operators once. Go to relational operators once. ఎందుకా మీరు చదువుకోకుండా వస్తారు? Without reading, you are coming to the class. The result, the relational expression is also called simple test condition. Notes is international. These are all called what? Here these are all called what? Here see how many things I said. See that how many things I said. These are all called what? In this case, these are all called what? Relational expressions. Simple test condition. All relational expressions are called what? Simple test condition. One thing. Next, go to logical operators. Go to logical operators. Logical expression is called what? Compound test condition. Explain or not explain? Huh? చెప్పండా? Explain or not explain? Do you remember? No. మరి మీకు ఎంతో పని ఉంటుంది అసలు. You will roam here and there. Total Hyderabad you will roam without studying. So, compound test condition. Did you understand this one now? Compound test condition means it is supposed to connect with what? And or. But in our NumPy, when I use compound test conditions in filtering the data, and or will not work. We used bitwise operators. Did you remember that? Here also we will apply bitwise operators. Do you know the importance of bitwise operators? 16-bit register, 32-bit register, 16-bit, 32-bit register capacities, everything explained in the Python level only, no? Yes, that concept is useful here. Why I said bitwise operator that much seriously? Because this level it is useful. Whatever the plant we planted, mango plant, now fruits will come. That you have to enjoy. If you just cut in the early stages without reading, who is responsible for that? Everything I gave you that, how the bitwise operators works and all those things. So if we go to our operators, bitwise operators, if we go to the left shift operator, right shift operator, how seriously we explained it, all sorts of things, bitwise shifting of operators, so formulas, so see how seriously explained it. All those things if you read well, and how that AND operator works with the XOR operator, how that is working with symmetric difference, how that is working with the numerics, how they are working with sets, everything explained it. If you don't remember, what can I do, students? Anyhow, come to the this kind of thing I want to go for it. So shall I apply now? So data filtering with conditions, I am going to take it. This is separate documentation, adding the columns. If I do here only, you will get confused. Confused in the sense, I want to give some clarity for you. Go to the new notebook. There I will tell you data filtering. So I'm going to take it and as data filtering and conditions. Here I'm going to take it data filtering and conditions. I want to go for it. In this case, I will straightforward takes this data. Straightforward will take this data and I will go for calculating the totals. Calculating the totals. I will go for calculating the totals and immediately I will go for rounding the decimal places also. I will go for rounding immediately. This I will go for this. Go to this place. Here also I will do it. This is done. Print of what? DF. DF. Got it. Now I'm going to filter it. I want to get the names of the students whose marks, whose percentage of marks greater than 80. Greater than 80. Come on. Uddu DF dot LOC of simple condition. What is the simple condition? Percent. So what is that? Percent. Here I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. How do you refer LOC? Now I'm going to take it. First, you see DF of, నేను ఒక simple explain చేస్తాను first. DF of percent will give you percentages now, students. Okay. I will go for which one I want greater than what? 80. Which will give you what? First one, see. What is the first one? False. Second one false. Third one false. All of them false, 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 false. Everything is going to come to what? False only. Because nobody is getting more than what? So I will go for what here? 75. 75 above who is getting, I want to see. It is returning the Boolean array. False, false, false. One student got what? 2. Are you getting it? That data I want to get it. How do I get it? DF of. Like this, I can pass it. I got it. Sono got it. 79.83% I got it. Sono got this percentage. I want to get the name of that person. I want to get the name of the person. If you want to get the name of the person, name comma what? Percent. If you want the name comma person, I want to get it. So got error. So now you will get it in name and percent. I got it. Come on, come on. Are you okay? You are okay. Every time okay. But the next day you are not okay. On the day you are okay. Next day not okay. Because you are not committing after going to home. That's the main point. So this is the same thing. I can do it in this way also I'm saying. So I'm going to write it. DF dot what? LOC of. Like this also you can say. Are you okay? So this is called filtering. Now I want to get it what? One more filtering I want. Get the get the records, get the records whose percent ranges between between what? 100 to what? 70. 100 to 70. 100 to 70. Okay, ready to answer? Come on. First, DF of percent, percent, okay, less than or equal to 100. Is it called one Boolean array or not? This is called one Boolean array. Boolean array. All of them are less than 100 only. Yes? Because everybody got less than 100 only. Okay. If I change immediately greater than or equal to 100, nobody got it false. Okay. It is called what? Less than or equal to. But how to prepare the condition easily in a simple way? Like a fourth class student, fifth class student. Okay. Next what? One more kind of thing. Come on. DF of percent of same thing. Don't take much risk. Greater than or equal to 70. 70. This is called one condition. This is called one more condition. I need to have some connector or not. What is that? And or. Anda or. Huh? Anda. Anda. ఏం అండ అమ్మాయికి డౌట్ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు సార్ ఆస్కింగ్ అంటే ఏదో ఏదో ఉంటదని వితౌట్ థింకింగ్ సే సెట్ సంథింగ్ అండ ఆరా అండ ఆరా అండ్ షూర్ ఓకే అండ్ ఏ అండి ఏ అండి ఎండ్స్ బ్రాకెట్ అండ్ హ్యాండ్స్ బ్రేసా హ్యాండ్స్ బ్రేస్ అంటే మళ్ళీ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ దట్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ ఓకే యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాండ్స్ బ్రేక్ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ సో it is not and. If you apply and, you will get what? Error. So this is not going to work. Most efficient one is called what? Single ampersand. It's called hands press. Huh? Ampersand. He said hand brace. Who said it? Amirpet only they said that. In Amirpet they will create lot of concepts because so many scientists are born from here only. You do know. They will add lot of new things they will develop. Lot of new things they develop because they will rub on the brain of the students and students will become problem. It's sort bitwise and operator. What is that? Bitwise and operator. Now I will go for giving you this combined together. You will be getting what? Sema, all of you. False, false. Next is what? True. And this is called which array? Boolean array, right or not? Boolean array, Boolean array, Boolean array. How many people are there? Come on. 5. So dot, dot. What is this now? Sum of. So what is coming? It is going to give you all the values are coming. Something is coming out of it. So okay, this is the data coming. I will pass to whom? Df dot what? LOC. Df dot LOC. Are you getting this data or not? Who got it? See the percentages first of all. Is all of them are between 100 to 70 or not? As these are the names we got it. Am I clear? If I want to get the names, only names if you want, only names if you want. Come on, how do you get the names? Comma. What is that? Square bracket. What is that? Name. Name I can write it. Names I'm getting. Already ILO's syntax is over or not? If we want percentage also, what I will do? Percentage. Percentage. Comma what? Percent. Percent. Need to write in. Is it okay? So need to write like this. Online students are there. Online students, are you following me? Are you following this? Come on, quickly. So respond all of you. Is it clear, ma? Come on. Right, good. So are you getting the filtering the data? Filtering. Easy. Now I want to get get the names and maths marks, maths marks who secured who secured between who secured between 100 to 800 to 90, between 100 to 90. Which marks? Maths marks. I want to find what? Name. Name. Ready to answer? Come on. First, prepare the condition. Do you know how to prepare it? What is the column name? Maths. Okay, I forget. How do you take it? DF of what? Maths. Okay. DF of maths greater than or equal to 90. Bitwise and come on, mom. This is one condition for readability purpose. Take the same condition. DF of what? Less than or equal to what? 100. Okay. This is going to give you true, false or not? True, false, true, false, true, false. Go to pass to whom? Df dot what? LOC of. Df dot LOC of. Am I getting the maths marks which is going to be more than 90 to 100 or not? This is the data we got it. This is the data. Suppose if we want to get only what? Names. Only names. Names plus maths. Comma what? Come on. Name comma maths. Name comma maths. Is it called? Okay. So names plus maths I'm getting or not? Yes. This is the way to get it. Are you getting? Right. Now I will how to get the topper maths, topper students in the maths. That is, I will go for sorting the values. I will sort. I will call one sort. Sort of values. Sort underscore values. Where I said? Come on. So series I said. Series level I said. There I will apply. So I want to get the name of the marks whose marks are more than what? 95. More than 95. 95 more than less than or equal to 100. So who got it? Only three people got it. Rosam, Ramesh, and then Biswa. These people got more than 95. Are you getting me? What is this concept called? Muddu. What is this concept called? చూడండి అక్కడ data filtering. Data filtering with conditions. Which condition I applied? Simple condition. Come on. Compound condition. Compound conditions connected with Bitwise or operator? Bitwise. Now I'm going to enter into updation. Can I go for updation? Right. Online students up to here, is it okay? Is it clear up to here? Now I'm going to enter into updation. I'm going to enter. Shall I? Shall I? Any problem? Feeling hungry? Seeing that you are sleeping. Watching, na? That only you are doing. Correct? I know. Right. Anyhow, concentrate. So now I will go to further. Now I'm going to say what? Data filtering as well as what? Updation I am going to take it. So I'm going to take it data filtering and as here filtering with the conditions and updations. Very, very important. Go to the same place. I will go to this place. Data filtering with updations. Very, very important. Okay. Filtering with conditions and updations. Students, here I am going to write it. Filter it. Filter it. Once you filter it, you are going to say, because of this LOC, because of the condition, some data will be filtered or not. There I will write condition. Which column you want to update, you need to write. Which column you want to update, you can write it. That is nothing but I am writing there column name. Why column name? Why column name? Because we are using LOC. LOC. Column name is equal to see that column name. Still it is inside of what? LOC only. It is not only filtering the data, it is taking that column name. To that column name, we are writing expression. Expression, you are going to update it. You are writing that updating. Are you following me? Compound condition also same. Compound condition also same. Compound condition also same. Are you following me? Column name is equal to what? Expression. Are you following me? Simple. Here, with this what I did, name of maths. I got filtered or not? Today I want to go for updating. Shall I go for updating now? Yes. Online students, be careful. DF. Print the DF. Which one I am going to take it? Adding the new column. Grading or not? Come on. So after this is we can leave. Otherwise tomorrow I have to repeat it. So add the new column. Add the new column. Add the new column grade. Add the new column grade. Come on, grade add it. Df dot grade is equal to I'm going to write it. First of all, grading rules add cheddam first. Grading rules. Grading rules. Grading rules you add it ma. Percent. Percent between. Percent between 100 to 75. 100 to 75. Give what? Distinction. Give what? Distinction. Percent between. Percent between 74. 74 to what? 65. Give what? First. Give what? First. Next what? Includes what? 64. 64 to what? 55. Give it as what? Second. Second. Last. Go for what? 54 to 54. 54. Like this. Go for what? Third. Third. Fail also you can take it. All the any one of the subject is fail, that you can take it. In the beginning days I said you, at least any one of the subjects secured less than 40, give a fail. Otherwise pass one code I said. In which level? Loops level. That condition also you can apply. So since you know that, I'm taking this concentration only. Are you okay? Come on, start mom. Df of what? Add. Online students carefully follow. Add the new column. Add the new column called what? Grade. How do you add? Df of grade is equal to null. I'm going to take it what? Null. I'm going to take it as a none. What is a none? Missing value in Python. What is the none and it? What is the none? Missing value in Python. What is PD dot none? Missing value in NumPy. PD dot NA. Missing value in, come on, pandas. So, done. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. Is it none is added or not? Now I will go to the condition. Updation. Come on. Update. Update. With what? Distinction. This grading I want to go for it. Okay. Start here. So, first check చేసుకోవాలి. Always checking is important. Come on. df dot loc of df dot. First మీకు కావాలంటే go to elementary level. What is that? Percent. Percent. What is this percent? Greater than, less than or equal to 100. Okay. This is one thing. Next, ampersand. Next is called what? Greater than or equal to 75. This is 75. You see, this is called only one person got 79%. That is true. That person only I want to give the distinction. How do you locate that? df dot loc of bracket, comma, which column I am updating? Grade. Grade I am going to write it. Here I am writing grade is equal to what? Distinction. 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 I am going to write it. Okay. Beautiful. So go to, what is this now? Print of what? DF. So one person got distinction whose percentage was 79.83. All of them still not updated. Okay now? Quickly. Online students, are you okay? Is it clear for you? Distinction. Next, go to another one. Online students, are you there? Come on, fast. Next, what is the next one? Percentage. With what? First in grade. First in grade. Okay, check it. Start. I forget. Carry this, carry that. If you get confused, carry. Actually, you try to write on your own. So since we already know, come on. Percentage less than or equal to 74, greater than or equal to 65. Grade is equal to, very good, first. So this is done. Print of df, print of df. So few people got first. Few people got it. See their percentage 65, 70, 67, 79, like that. All of them are having like that. Are you seeing that now? Yes. Next, I will go to one more grading rule. What is the grading rule next? Second grading rule. Okay. Go to the second grading rule. So done. Carry that expression now, students. This one, since you already know that, I'm copying here. Okay. Start. 64, 55. 55. What is this now? Second. Okay. So this is second. Okay, done. Print of what here? DF. Print of DF. Is it second is some people got it or not? Second, some people got it. Second, some people got it. First people are already there. Rest of the people are what? Rest of the people, some none is there. 64. Still less is there. Right or not? So coming to the next. Anything missing? So condition is this is 64.50. Actually supposed to get no student here. 1 minute. 60. This is called 65. I will write it what? Better to write greater than, greater than what? 64 I will write it. Okay, now greater than 64, and here less than or equal to 64, because including decimal places also I'm going to cover. So try to get it, try to update it. This you are going to get it what? First. Are you getting? Hmm. Yes, just I changed it. Greater than 64. And greater than 64 means 64.5, 64 point, etc. will be coming. So 65 I want. So 65 means I will take greater than or equal to 65. 65. When it is 65, it is going to contain what? 64. Greater than or equal to 65. It is going to be first only available. Let it be come to the next level. What is this now? 64 to 55. What is the condition now? This is going to be 65. What is this now? 64 point less than 65. Less than 65. And greater than or equal to 55. So what is the answer is coming now? You see. This is going to come to what? 64.50 called second. Got it? Hmm. Yes, got it. Next, 74.50. It is missing there. So there you have to go for it. I will update. That also I will update. Don't worry about it. Let me go to the next. What is the next one? I will update. That also I will update. Go to like this mechanism only you need to take. Third category you concentrate. Third. Third you concentrate. This part you take care. Like the same formula you try to apply. Because of that fractions are missing over there. Try to carry. This you carry. Start with. What is the data? Less than, less than 54. 54. 55. Okay. 55. I need not write this one. Correct? I need not write this part. So I need not write this part. So I need not write this part. So which is hmm, 55, comma, comma. So third. Okay. Again I will write it. Third. So go to print of what? DF. DF. So got it. Second. 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 People got second or not? Yes. 1 minute student. And here beginning only you need to take care. I will adjust it. Nothing is going to be problem here. You try to follow. Go to distinction you carry once. Distinction we wrote now. You carry once. Distinction once you carry. This is what I wrote it, right? What should I write it now? What is the observation here? What is our 75? Up to 75 is okay now. Distinction is okay. Anybody is having, there is no problem in the distinction category, right? In the case of each one, first got it a problem. What is that now? Less than, less than 75, less than or equal to 75, more than or equal to, if I believe you, it is problem. I will carry this. First I will carry, get this thing. What is that point? You get this in the case of this output. What is the first one I will bring it? Coming to this place, say what? Less than 75 and greater than or equal to this one. So done. Print of df. Print of df. So everything is filled. Everything is filled. Only thing is less than or equal to greater than or equal to this is a problem. So childhood is concept. So this is going to be called updation. Are you following? So what is this is called filtering as well as what? Updation. This is a very important kind of concept. So this is a column name. You need to go for updation. So this concept, this I want to go for. I want to export it. I want to export this data. To whom I want to export this data? This is a data frame now. It's a fully calculated page. I want to export. Come on. Export. Export to the CSV file. CSV file as a final result. Yes. Come on. How do you do that? df dot to export a df dot this data frame. There is a function called to underscore CSV. To underscore CSV. Spell out. You need to give the absolute path. Absolute path. Where I want to export it, I am going to export here. So where it is, numpy 11 am, I want to take it. Final result ani తీసుకుంటాను. Final result. Final result. Here I will go to the place. Here I will go to this place. Here, what is this? Final 10th class result. 10th class dot what? CSV. CSV. So I will write it slash like this. I wrote it. So here I will write it data frame data, data frame data, data frame data exported to which file? CSV file, CSV file, close. Data frame data exported to CSV file. This final result.csv file is created in that location. Is it final result 10th class space is done or not? Comma separated value. Double click on this. This is the result we got it. This is the result we got it. So this is the result got it or not? Yes. This is called what? Percentage is coming. Grade is coming. Everything is coming. Total is coming. Everything is coming. This is called what? Exporting. I can export to database also. I can export to cloud also. I can export to Django server also. I can export to third party servers also. I can export it. Integration with the third party servers. That much story is there behind that. Even in Django also we can use NumPy pandas. You can without telling also Django completed. So you'll become Django. So so depends on the subject. So how to take care, how to draw the graph, how to visualize this graph. Visualization also I want. With a histogram, I can write a line graph, I can write pie chart, I can do. It depends on the teacher, how well they teach. Right. Right. This is about today's concept. So online students, is it clear about it? Is it clear about this entire thing? So Jitendra, you can do it in the same CSV file also, my dear student. So same CSV file also. So you can do in the same CSV file also. New CSV file I want to create it to be done in the same way. Right. I want to stop my class. Tomorrow I will go for some more new concepts. I will introduce it. Thank you. Carry on. All the best. DS, wait a second. Actually, any DS book you visit, coding will not be there. Only theory will be there. So you need a separate trainer to teach all the coding. Coding will be there stacks queues. Even in the internet also you'll find. But generally books will not contain complete coding of all the topics. So you have to search the book and we have to find it. And all the topics books will not be there with the coding. Okay. Your name, huh? I'll post. So students in online, I already said to you, you cannot add the column names at a particular place. You are always supposed to add in the last only. Last only. So already I answered it in the beginning only. So next, Sirisha. Student name is Sirisha. Next student is Praveen. Sai Kumar.
Yeah, hi sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sai Kumar. Tell me.
Sir, for existing CSVs, let's say the current CSV has 16 records. So, for
Hmm,
example, today we had performed some transactions, some new records added or
hmm,
updated the existing records. Can
hmm.
we get only those delta records with this pandas, sir, by applying
Hmm,
the
hmm.
dates and all?
Can you say once again?
So for existing this CSV file, so some
Hmm,
additional data is added, sir. Today evening,
hmm,
some data is added. Some
hmm,
transactions has been performed on this CSV, like update or insert the new records has been added. Can we
hmm.
get only those data records, like what are the updated records or newly added records like that?
You can get it based on timestamp and all, timing and all those things. You can take it. You
Okay.
can take it.
And sir, mhm, mhm.
Hmm.
Okay. And regarding this Databricks plus PySpark, sir, so can you advise like the roadmap on brief, sir? How
No, no, ma. Databricks and PySpark is again a module, separate module. It is data engineer
mm-hmm,
role. It is
mm-hmm,
for that.
mm-hmm.
It is a separate course. It is Databricks is a separate course.
Okay. So to get familiar with PySpark, sir, so since we are end of our course, right?
Hmm,
Python we completed and now
hmm,
in
hmm.
Pandas. So how we good to learn this PySpark, sir? Can we
That's
learn
what, ma. That's what,
ourselves?
ma.
Yeah.
You can learn it, but you can need a good trainer. You need a good trainer so that you can get it.
Okay. Can we have those sessions in our institute, sir? PySpark
Find out,
related sessions?
find out from
Okay.
admin once.
Oh,
Find out from
okay.
admins. Okay, no? Right. Next student is Vishnuvardhan. Vishnuvardhan.
Yeah, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Vishnuvardhan. Tell me.
Sir, can you say how can we save the file into our system? I mean,
Huh?
which we created right now, the file is there, no, sir, in Jupyter Notebook.
Uh,
How can we save that?
this document you want to save.
How can we save the document?
Here, there is something is available. During your creation, new notebook creation, it is asking file new. If you go to this place, terminal, text file, markdown, Python file. It is asking
Okay.
Python file. There you can save it. You go for what file and then save. Save as a
Oh.
Python file. Are you seeing this?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. I'm watching.
Like that you need to take.
Okay, sir.
Right. So next student is one more student is Vishnuvardhan. Is it clear, ma?
Yeah, yes, sir. Is it clear?
Oh, okay. Next SK. Student name SK.
Can you show me? Thank you very much for the lesson today. Can
Yeah.
you show me how I can drop few columns, such as interim columns that were calculated total and percentage.
Yes, we are going to discuss in
Finally,
in the tomorrow class. I will tell you how to drop, how to remove the row, how to remove the
okay,
column. Tomorrow I will tell you.
okay, thank you.
Dropping column, dropping record, dropping row. I will tell you all those things in tomorrow class. Okay, na?
Do you have any other batches as well, if you don't mind?
For Python, huh?
Yeah,
So it is going to start next week. Next week it
in
is
the
going to start.
morning.
Yeah, morning, no, evening hours it will start because all morning classes are going on. Evening it will start. Any morning is there, I will intimate in the class.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Okay. Next, Praveen Yadav. Praveen Yadav. Jitendra.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jitendra. Tell me.
Sir, in the ILS, you said that only we can access that using the indexes
Mm.
for the columns. So, for you accessing again with the column name, so I'm just getting
Accessing. Accessing.
accessing again with the column name in the ILOC.
Mm.
So, how that is like happening? Like, I'm just getting confused.
This is ILOC. LOC. ILOC here.
ILOC with the column name you have mentioned, but you said like
Column name, no. Column names, no. LOC with column name. Already I did not mention. Who mentioned that? ILOC, column name.
sir, then the sixth number of syntax, sir. The sixth or
I'll,
seventh.
I, I'll open it once.
I think the output of ILOC again, yeah, yeah, you two times written six. The below one, yes, with the column name
Column.
one, two, and a column name
It
n.
is outside of the bracket. Please take
Yeah,
care.
yeah, means with the result of ILOC applied again with the column, right, sir?
That is the one. This is called what?
Uh,
Data frame will come after that I wrote, not inside.
yeah, means output of again applied. Yeah, it's outside that. Yeah, that's what.
Outside I wrote it. Outside I wrote it.
Yeah, yeah, outside it is. Yeah, yeah,
Okay, now?
okay, sir. Now, yeah, with that, like it's a simple one, like getting column or any kind of column you can get. Yeah, okay. Yes, that's
Right.
clear.
Okay. Right. Anybody else now, students? Next. Next Django classes, when it starts, I'll tell you, my dear students. Aradhya, I'm bothering you to ask you again, but I have interview. Sir, please post it. Seema, these questions of MCQs, I'm going to post at the end of this course. I said in the beginning only. Beginning only, I said to you. So, beginning only, I said to you, my dear students, please take care and follow. MCQs, I will post it at the end of the sessions only. I already said, if you ask again and again, same thing I'm going to say. Right. So, coming to the point back. So, this is what we are going to. Abhishek Gupta, when Django classes. My dear student, when the batch starts, I only will intimate to you, all of you. Thank you. All the best.